Two big names in home insurance go head-to-head, but which one really protects what matters most? On one side, Liberty Mutual, a veteran with decades of experience. And on the other, Hippo, the fresh, tech-savvy newcomer changing the game. Let's set aside the flashy ads and look at what actually counts. Each round, we'll score them on real criteria so you can see who actually comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. So here's a quick map of what we're going to compare. First, price and value, then digital experience, coverage options, claims, service, and finally, availability. Oh, and I might throw in a fun fact along the way. Ready? Let's go. Let's kick it off with price and value. Liberty Mutual offers a bunch of discounts. You can bundle, get special deals, all that good stuff, but honestly, for the same coverage, it can still come out a bit pricier sometimes. Now Hippo, this is where things get interesting. Hippo uses modern pricing, and if you have smart home devices, you can snag some sweet discounts. The catch, they're not everywhere yet. Still, if you're in an area where it's offered, Hippo definitely gives you more bang for your buck, so they're the clear winner here. Now, digital experience. Liberty Mutual does a solid job. Website and app both work well. You can get quotes online, but the claims process is a bit more old school. It's not super automated. Compare that to Hippo and wow, it's a game changer. You can get a quote in like under a minute, hook up your smart devices, and do pretty much anything without touching a single paper. The only thing? If you're not super techie, you might miss the human touch, but for most folks, Hippo takes it hands down here. Coverage options? Liberty Mutual really shines here. You can tweak policies every which way, do all the bundles, auto, home, the works. Some of the finer coverage tweaks mean you might need to call in, but I mean, options are options. Now Hippo is more about the home. They've got innovative add-ons, especially if you want extra protection for smart gadgets but mainly focus on homes. So Liberty Mutual earns the win this round. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Hippo sometimes tosses in smart sensors with your policy that can actually detect leaks or fires before they become big problems. That's some next-level peace of mind. Next up, claims service. Liberty Mutual has that classic 24/7 support and is well known for handling claims. The only hiccup, people sometimes say it takes a while. Hippo, on the other hand, is all about speed with a tech-driven approach, even trying to help before problems get big. But they haven't been around as long, so there's less of a legacy to back up their process. Honestly, it's too close to call. This one's a tie. Finally, availability. Liberty Mutual is, quite literally, everywhere. 50 states, offices, agents, you name it. Some regions might still get a bit of the old-school service style, but hey, coverage is coverage. Hippo is growing fast, but at this point still not nationwide. So Liberty Mutual is the obvious winner here. So if you look at the breakdown, Hippo absolutely dominates in things like price and the digital side, while Liberty Mutual flexes on coverage options and just being everywhere. Claims service? Well, they're both pretty solid in different ways. Here, where I land, if you're someone who wants the big-name insurance that's been around forever, works basically anywhere, and lets you bundle all sorts of policies, Liberty Mutual's perfect. But if you want something new, super easy online, and love the idea of your insurance playing nice with your smart home tech, Hippo is honestly tough to beat. If you found this breakdown helpful, save it or share it with someone who's stressing over their insurance choices. Make that smart decision.